right, welcome back, my sixth graders. Let's go ahead and get this homework knocked out. 7 through 12 is find the area of each triangle. We're going to use the formula. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. So this is going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 4. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. So this is going to be 12 yards square. Notice we have to square it because we're talking about an area that has length and width. It is not one-dimensional. Let's go to number 9 now. 9's, again, area equals 1/2 base times height. To do this, we see that we're going to have 1/2 times the base. This time the base is going to be 14, and the height is going to be 31. Don't let yourself get fooled into thinking that this is the base. Just turn it around. We're dealing off of the angles from the right, the angle of the triangle. All right, so we're going to go with 1/2 of 14, which is 7. 7 times 31, we're going to pop that in our calculator real quick. And 31 times 7, that's 217. So this would be 217 centimeters squared. Okay, let's move on down. Let's see, I've got all the odd ones today, so number 11 is mine. This time they're not giving us the formula, but we already know it, don't we? Remember, this is going to be a 1/2, or area equals 1/2 times base times height. All right, that means we're going to take 1/2 of the base. The base of this triangle is 12. Height of this triangle is 9. Notice we do not, and that's going to give us 9 for height. And so now we got 1/2 of 12, that's going to be 6. And 6 times 9 is 54. So that means the area is going to be 54 centimeters square. All right, let's go ahead and move down. I got number 13. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 0. So if I'm putting this on a grid, it's going to be 0, 0, 3, 8, and 9, 0. What is the area? Oh boy. Okay, so if we're doing this, what we're going to need to know is we got 0, 0 down here, then 3, 8, that's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 away, and then 8 up, right? So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one is going to be 9 and 0. 9 and 0. So that's going to put this one over at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So let's go ahead and look what we've got here. We have our line tool. We're going to be connecting these. That means we've got a triangle that's going to look like this. Okay. I'm not going to put the line across the bottom. I'll take that back. I'll put it underneath the dots. Ooh, accidentally grabbed that, didn't I? All right. Line tool again. I'm going to put it under the dots so we can still see them. All right. And now we have to ask ourselves, what is the base and the height? Well, we know the height was 8, right? Because this went up 8 high. So when we're using our formula, area equals 1/2 base times height. We know the height is going to be 8. The base is how far it is from here to here, and that's going to be 9. Now we have all the information we need to find the area. Sorry, that didn't quite look like an equal sign. 1/2 of 8 is 4. I got rid of those. Now I have 9 times 4, and 9 times 4 is 36. So the area is going to be equal to 36, and it doesn't really tell us centimeters, or anything. So we're going to go with units squared. All right, I'm going to number 15. Ms. Lopez drew a triangle ABC with a height of 6 inches, height of 6, base of 6 inches, and RST with a height of 4 inches and a base of 8 inches. Which triangle has the greater area? So let's go do each of these. First one we're going to do is the first triangle, ABC. Triangle ABC, area is going to be equal to 1/2 times the base, and we said the base was 6, and the height was also 6. So 1/2 of 6 is 3, so now we have 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So that triangle ABC is going to be 18 inches square. All right, now let's go to triangle RST. RST, again, the area is going to equal 1/2 base times height. We know RST has a height of 4 inches. It has a base of 8 inches. And now we got everything we need for our formula again. We know that 1/2 of 8 is 4. So this would be 4 times 4 now. And 4 times 4 is 16. So the area is going to be equal to 16 inches squared. So which one has the greater area? Triangle ABC has the greater area. And the reasoning to justify our answer is that 18 inches is bigger than 16 inches. All right, let's go to 17. Number 17 says, what is the area in square millimeters of the yellow triangle outlined in the origami figure? They just want this triangle, where the base is 3 and the height is 1.6. They want the area. So again, we use 1/2 base times height. That's going to be 1/2 of 3 times 1.76. All right, so whenever we get into something like this, I'm just going to break out my calculator. I'm going to take 3 and divide it by 2, because that's 1/2 times 3. That's 1.5, and then I'm going to multiply that to 1.76. And that's going to give us 2.64. So the area is going to be equal to 2.64 centimeters squared. All right, we're off to number 19. I think this is my last one. Michael is planting a garden in the shape of a right triangle. He wants 4 tick seeds planted for each square meter of area. Okay, how many tick seed plants does Michael need? So when we get our answer, we're going to have to multiply it to 4, because he wants 4 tick seeds planted for every square area. All right, so let's go with the base and the height. The base is 7, so 1/2. The formula is going to be equal, area equals 1/2 base times height. And this time, we're going to multiply everything to 4 at the end as well. All right, so that's going to be our formula, and then we have to multiply it to 4. All right, so 1/2 of the base is going to be 1/2 of 7, and then times the height, which is 24, and then multiplied to 4. All right, well, I could take 1/2 of 24, and that's going to be 12. So now I have 7 times 12 times 4. I'm going to pop these in my calculator just to give myself a little break in math here. 7 times 12 times 4 is equal to 336. So let's not forget what that means, okay? That's not square units. That's going to be 336 tick seeds. Plants. All right, looks like the rest is yours to do. So have a good time, and I will see you in class for grading. Good night.